Hi all, welcome to my another video and my name is Sri Devi. This is on simple linear equation exercise 12C. This is from Selina Conscience Mathematics book class 7. I have solved exercises 12A and 12B in my previous video. This is for 12C. If you have any questions or comments, please comment in my comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And this exercise has got 30 sums. It's pretty easy. All that you need to know is how to take the LCM and the signs and how to, work it on. Exercise makes man, practice makes man perfect. So keep practicing and this exercise is going to be very, very easy. Let's quickly move on to the questions. X by 2 plus x is equal to 9. That is taking LCM, x plus 2x by 2 is equal to 9. That is 3x by 2 is equal to 9. That is 3x is equal to 9 into 2 into 18. Therefore, x is equal to 18 by 3. That is equal to 6. Hope this is clear. The second one, x by 5 plus 2x is equal to 33. Again taking LCM, x plus 10x by 5 is equal to 33. Therefore 11x by 5 is equal to 33. Therefore 11x is equal to 33 into 5. Therefore on simplification you get x is equal to 33 into 5 by 11. So you get 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Therefore x is equal to 15. Moving on to the third sum. 3x by 4 plus 4x is equal to 38. Now again taking the LCM you get 3x plus 16x by 4 is equal to 38. That is 19x is equal to 38 into 4. X is equal to 38 into 4 by 19. That is 2 into 4. That is equal to 8. Hope this is clear. Moving on to the fourth sum, x by 2 plus x by 5 is equal to 14. LCM of 2 and 5 is equal to 10. Therefore you get 5x plus 2x is equal to 10. As 5x plus 2x by 10 is equal to 14. Therefore 7x is equal to 140. X is equal to 140 by 7. Therefore x is equal to 20. Very simple guys. All that you need to is just concentrate and use my video as a reference video and you should be able to crack this exercise. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 2. So x by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 2. LCM is equal to 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Therefore taking LCM you get 4x minus 3x by 12 is equal to 2. Therefore 4x minus 3x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24. Alright, pretty simple. Next one, y plus y by 2 is equal to 7 by 4 minus y by 4. That is y plus y by 2 is equal to 7 by 4 minus y by 4. Y plus y by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 7 by 4. LCM of 1, 2 and 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, 4y plus 2y plus y by 4 is equal to 7 by 4. On simplification you get 7y by 4 is equal to 7 by 4. That is 7y is equal to 7 into 4 by 4. Y is equal to 7 into 4 by 4 into 7. Everything gets cancelled and that's equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. The seventh one. 4x by 3 minus 7x by 3 is equal to 1. LCM is 3. Therefore 4x minus 7x by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore 4x minus 7x is equal to 3. Therefore minus 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. Hope this is clear. Next one. 1 by 2m plus 3 by 4m minus m is equal to 2.5. That is 1 by 2m plus 3 by 4m minus m is equal to 2.5. LCM of 2, 4 and 1 is equal to 4. Therefore 2m plus 3m minus 4m divided by 4 is equal to 2.5. 2m plus 3m minus 4m is equal to 2.5 into 4. 5m minus 4m is equal to 10. M is equal to 10. Therefore m is equal to 10. Just pausing in for few seconds. 2x by 3 plus x by 2 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 1. LCM of 3, 2 and 4 is 12. Therefore, you get 8x plus 6x minus 9x by 12 is equal to 1. Therefore, 8x plus 6x minus 9x is equal to 12. 5x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 5. That is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 5. Moving on to the 10th sum. 3a by 4 plus a by 6 is equal to 66. 3a by 4 plus a by 6 is equal to 66. LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Therefore, 9a plus 2a by 12 is equal to 66. That is 11a is equal to 66 into 12. A is equal to 66 into 12 by 11. That is equal to 72. Therefore, a is equal to 72. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 35. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 35. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Therefore, 10p minus 3p by 15 is equal to 35. On simplification, you get 10p minus 3p is equal to 35 into 15. Therefore, 7p is equal to 35 into 15. P is equal to 35 into 15 by 7. That is equal to 5 into 15. That is equal to 75. Therefore, P is equal to 75. 12th one. 0.6a plus 0.2a is equal to 0.4a plus 8. Therefore, 0.6a plus 0.2a is equal to 0.4a plus 8. 0.6a plus 0.2a minus 0.4a is equal to 8. That is 0.4a is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 by 0.4. That is nothing but 80 by 4. Therefore, A is equal to 20. Next one. P plus 1 by 4 P is equal to 48. That is 2.4 P is equal to 48. P is equal to 48 by 2.4. That is equal to P is equal to 480 by 24. That is equal to 20. Therefore, P is equal to 20. 10% of x is equal to 20. Therefore, 10 by 100 of x is equal to 20. That is 10x by 100 is equal to 20. That is x by 10 is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 into 10. That is equal to 200. Therefore, x is equal to 200. Next one. Y plus 20% of y is equal to 18. Y plus 20 by 100 y is equal to 18. Y plus 1 by 5 is equal to 18. LCM of 1 and 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, you get 5y by plus y by 5 is equal to 18. That is 5y plus y is equal to 18 into 5. That is 6y is equal to 18 into 5. That is y is equal to 18 into 5 by 6. That is nothing but 3 into 5. Therefore, y is equal to 15. Moving on to the 16th sum, that is x minus 30% of x is equal to 35. That is x minus 30 by 100 x is equal to 35. That is 100 minus 30 x by 100 is equal to 35. That is 70 x is equal to 35 into 100. X is equal to 35 into 100 by 70. That is nothing but 50. Therefore, x is equal to 50. Hope this is clear. Moving on to the 7th sum, x plus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, x by 2 plus 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 7. Now, LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, you get 3x plus 12 plus 2x by 6 is equal to 7. That is 5x plus 12 is equal to 7 into 6. That is 5x is equal to 42 minus 12. That is 5x is equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the 18th sum. Y plus 2 by 3 plus y plus 5 by 4 is equal to 6. Therefore, LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, you get 4y plus 8 plus 3y plus 15 by 12 is equal to 6. That is 7y plus 23 is equal to 6 into 12. 7y plus 23 is equal to 72. 7y is equal to 72 minus 23, that is equal to 49. Therefore, y is equal to 49 by 7, that is equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7. Hope this is clear. Next one. 3a minus 2 by 7 minus a minus 2 by 4 is equal to 12. LCM of 7 and 4 is equal to 28. Therefore, 12a minus 8 minus 7a plus 14 by 28 is equal to 2. That is 5a plus 6 is equal to 2 into 28. Therefore, 5a is equal to 56 minus 6. Therefore, 5a is equal to 50. A is equal to 50 by 5, that is equal to 10. Therefore, a is equal to 10. Next one, 1 by 2 x plus 5 minus 1 by 3 x minus 2 is equal to 4. LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, you get 3x plus 5, 3 into x plus 5 minus 2 into x minus 2 by 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, 3x plus 15 minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 6 into 4. Therefore, x plus 19 is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 minus 19. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Next one, x minus 1 by 2 minus x minus 2 by 3 minus x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is equal to 12. That is 6 into x minus 1 minus 4 into x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 6x minus 6 minus 4x plus 8 minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus x plus 11 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to 11. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the 22nd sum, that is x plus 1 by 3 plus x plus 4 by 5 is equal to x minus 4 by 7. X plus 1 by 3 plus x plus 4 by 5 minus x minus 4 by 7 is equal to 0. LCM of 3, 5 and 7 is 105. Therefore, you get 35 into x plus 1 plus 21 into x plus 4 minus 15 into x minus 4 by 105 is equal to 0. Therefore, you get 35 into x plus 1 plus 21 into x plus 4 minus 15 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, you get it as 35x plus 35 plus 21x plus 84 minus 15x plus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore, 41x is equal to minus 35 minus 84 minus 60. Therefore, 41x is equal to minus 179. Therefore, x is equal to minus 179 by 41. That is equal to minus 415 by 41. Therefore, x is equal to minus 415 by 41. Just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand my calculation. Let's move on to the 25th sum. 15 minus 2 into 15 minus 2 into 5 minus 3x is equal to 4x minus 13 plus 13. That is equal to 15 minus 10x plus 6x is equal to 4x minus 12 plus 13, which gives you 5 plus 6x is equal to 4x plus 1. That is 6x minus 4x is equal to 1 minus 5, that is 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Next one, 2x plus 1 by 3x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 4. That is 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 by 4. That is 4 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 3x minus 2. That is 8x plus 4 is equal to 15x minus 10. 15x minus 8x is equal to 10 plus 4. That is 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 7. That is equal to x is equal to 2. Moving on to the 25th sum, 21 minus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to x plus 20. That is 21 minus 3x plus 21 is equal to x plus 20. 42 minus 3x is equal to x plus 20. 42 minus 20 is equal to x plus 3x. 4x is equal to 22. X is equal to 22 by 4, that is equal to 11 by 2, that is equal to 5 1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 5 1 by 2. Next one. 3x minus 2 by 7 minus x minus 2 by 4 is equal to 2. LCM of 7 and 4 is equal to 28. 4 into 3x minus 2 minus 7 into x minus 2 by 28 is equal to 2. That is 12x minus 8 minus 74 plus 14 is equal to 56. Therefore, you get as 5x plus 6 is equal to 56. That is 5x is equal to 56 minus 6, that is equal to 50. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the 27th sum. 2x minus 3 by 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to x by 5. That is 2x minus 3 minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 3x by 3. Therefore, you get it as 2x minus 3 minus 3x plus 15 is equal to x. That is minus x plus 12 is equal to x. That is x plus x is equal to 12. Therefore, 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. That is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Hope this is clear. X minus 4 by 7 is equal to x plus 3 by 7 plus x plus 4 by 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Therefore, you get it as 5 into x plus 3 plus 7 into x plus 4 by 35 is equal to x minus 4 by 7. That is, you get it as 5x plus 15 plus 7x plus 28 is equal to x minus 4 by 7 into 35. That is 5x plus 15 plus 7x plus 28 is equal to 5 into x minus 4. You get as 12x plus 43 is equal to 5x minus 20. 12x minus 5x is equal to minus 20 minus 43. Therefore, 7x is equal to minus 63. X is equal to minus 63 by 7. That is equal to minus 9. Therefore, x is equal to minus 9. X minus 1 by 5 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 minus x minus 2 by 2. Therefore, x minus 1 by 5 minus x by 3 plus x minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, LCM is equal to LCM of 5, 3 and 2 is equal to 30. Therefore, 6 into x minus 1 minus 10x plus 15 into x minus 2 by 30 is equal to 1. 6x minus 6 minus 10x plus 15x minus 30 is equal to 30. 11x is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 6, that is equal to 66. 11x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 by 11, that is x is equal to 6. Now 2x plus 20% of x is equal to 12.1. That is 2x plus 20 by 100 into x is equal to 12.1. That is 2x plus 1 by 5 x is equal to 12.1. That is 10x plus 1x by 5 is equal to 12.1. That is 11x is equal to 12.1 into 5 by 11. That is 60.5 by 11. That is x is equal to 5.5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2. Alright students, if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next exercise for simple linear equations. Thank you so much. Bye until I see you in the next video.